Number 4 on worksheet 3. A communications tower is located at the top of a steep hill, as shown. A guy wire is to be attached to the top of the tower and to the ground, 165 meters downhill from the base of the tower. The height of the tower is 80. How long is the wire? Let's see. I'm thinking right away law of sines because I have an angle side pair. So sine of 16 over 80 equals, I would like to use x, but I don't know the angle across from x. So I think my only option is to find the angle across from 165. So sine of, just call it angle A, over 165. That's really not what I'm looking for, but I think once I find that, then I'll know all the angles, and then I can do law of sines to find the side that I want. So 165 sine 16 over 80. Always make sure you're in degrees. 165 sine 16 divided by 80. And then inverse sine of that. .646 degrees. Again, that's not really what I'm looking for, but it will help me find this angle, and then I can use that angle to find the side. Basically, the question was asked in such a way that I had to find everything in order to find the one thing that I wanted. So 180 minus the 2 that we know, oops, it's 129.354. Now I've got all 3 angles. And now I can do law of sines with the side that I really want to know. And you remember that when you get close to the end, you can set up a bunch of different law of sines, but you probably want to use the most basic stuff, the stuff that was given. Sine of 16 over 80. A little bit of algebra. And so x equals 224.423. Let's go with units here since this is a word problem. Everything's in meters, so meters. 220 meters seems like a lot, but 80 and 120, those are big. That's an obtuse angle there, so this is going to be the longest side. So 224 seems to make sense. Again, always look at your answer and make sure it kind of fits with the problem.